Personal style. Something we all look for and strive for, or at least once did before finding it. But there's some people who still struggle looking for it or are currently looking for it still, even though they have a bunch of good fits, who knows. But today, if you're struggling on finding your personal style, I'm gonna give you the perfect formula to that. This is gonna be different from all my other videos because all my other videos, I give you specific pants or whatever, different things to do, at least most of the time. But today, I'm gonna give you the process on how to actually find your own style, how to look good in it, and really just how to be you, I guess, which is interesting. How I'm telling you how to be yourself isn't that strange? The first requirement for this is creativeness. You can't find your own personal style and want it to be good if you're a not very creative person, because then the next step is just gonna be kind of dumb and useless for you because you're just gonna be copying everything you see. So number 2, now that you got that creative brain, I'm gonna need you to go everywhere, social media, whatever, Google, Pinterest, I use Pinterest, who knows, use whatever, and you're gonna look at different outfits from different aesthetics, different whatever, different types of everything, really. Go, discover, look and see what catches your interest. Don't copy exactly, of course, unless you want to, but by doing this, you get a grasp of like what everyone else is wearing, what type of things work on different body types, on different heights, different ratios, because let me tell you, clothing, it's very specific, especially like with different body types. Like different clothes just look different on different people, which we know that, but like it's a lot more complex than you think, actually. Like you can wear a small shirt, then that small shirt just won't look good on you, but another type of small shirt will look good on you. So it's really all about just the different measurements and all this other stuff, which me personally, I don't even know how long the foot is. Well, actually a foot is a foot now that I think, now that I know, wait, that's why they call it a foot, right? Anyways, now that you've observed, looked at all these different things to try and gather what you inside want now, except you can't have everything you wanted, because unfortunately there's a roadblock here when it comes to finding your personal style, and that's money, my friend. I'm talking money. Cheese, paper, can be really expensive sometimes. So that's why, could always recommend thrifting or maybe making your own clothes, because that's always a better option than just buying clothes made out of cheap material that are just going to end up in landfills just to not end up degrading at all. So it's just going to be on our earth forever. But personal style, you may be asking, well, what if my personal style is dog? It's trash. Well, second step coming into play here, look at the good outfits and just start trying to create outfits similar to those and see if it works. And if you like it, now you add in your own things. You add in what you like most. What are you interested? Do you like wearing a bunch of jewelry? Do you like customizing yourself? Like my nails, okay? Or like, you like having a certain type of hairstyle? Like, customize your character. Now that you've got like a basis, a formula, now that you got this formula or basis, now you're gonna customize your character, okay? You're gonna add you. This is the personal of the style. We got the style, we got a formula, looking everywhere else, we see some formula, we got some style, got some basic fits, like some Timbs, some baggy jeans, and like a black shirt, okay? We gotta make this you now. So what are you? What type of person are you? What do you like? Do you like flashy things? Do you like it keeping mundane, basic, which, it's cool. But you can always add a little bit of flair in. You got a specific type of shoes you want to rock? Like there's like a unique, an out there kind of shoe. New rocks. I wouldn't wear these. But like, if you like that kind of style and you could blend it in well, if it works, it works, right? Trust me, some plain fits, as long as you feel confident in it, that's really all that matters, because then again, that is what personal style is all about. Making an outfit yourself and being comfortable in what you're wearing and how you're expressing yourself. Finding your personal style, it's a hard thing, okay? It takes time, it takes a lot of effort, and a lot of like money, or time, saving money, or doing things in between. I don't know. But what I'm trying to get at here is it's not just gonna happen overnight, unless of course you can drop a couple bands on a Depop order or something overnight, but I mean, I don't recommend doing that. It's a long journey, but it's a worthwhile journey, because as you go through these different outfits in your life, or different stages, different periods of your life, you find what you like most, what works most of your body type, how your daily life is, how you interact with your weather, the weather, and all this stuff. So definitely your style literally changes and evolves over time, because it's personal. It's you as a person, and you as a person grow all the time. We're human beings, so that's what we do. We grow, man. At least most. If you don't grow emotionally, surely, or other important aspects, obviously that's not good. I know you probably didn't click on this video for a life lesson, but I don't think I'm gonna give you one anyway. But I mean, and then in the end, you'll be wearing nice fits. You'll be walking around feeling confident like me. Now, I'm not claiming to be perfect. I know, crazy, right? But I'm not, unfortunately. But my fits, I'm confident in them, I guess. I mean, obviously I am. I wouldn't be sitting here on a channel talking about fashion if I wasn't confident about the way I dress. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and I know you missed this face. Don't worry, I'm coming back. I'm gonna make more videos. We blowing up this year, okay? I hope you've enjoyed the video, and take my advice, please, if you want to increase your personal style. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you all next time.